Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video it's just going to be something very quick and simple. I say it's simple, it might not be for anybody else, but I'm going to try and make it simple for you too. So I'm going to try and show you how to Dutch braid or French braid your hair yourself. So I will show you how to do both braids and hopefully you'll be able to do it too. Right, so we might as well get started. So to start off with, I am going to just part my hair. So what you want to do is you want to grab your comb like this. You want to put it at the back somewhere towards the crown. And you just want to pull it forward like this. And then it will like split the hair off like that, and that is how you're gonna start the parting of your hair. And then we're gonna put it in there again, but instead of going forward this time we are gonna go backwards like so. And you just want to do that all the way down to the back of the neck. And that will help you part your hair in a neat pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it will definitely help you and guide you using the comb. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use some elastic bands, and I'm just going to bobble up this side for a minute, and we're going to make a start on this side. And then what you want to do is you want to section off a piece of the hair in a bit like a triangle shape, sort of, if that makes sense. It doesn't have to be a neat line or a straight line. And then what you want to do is you want to divide them into 3 sections, as if you would if you were doing a normal plait. So then what you want to do is you want to take this one on this side and you want to put it over the middle one, put the middle one in your other hand and add that one over here, like so. And then once you've got like a start of a plait, you want to grab a piece of hair from there, a small section, just like that, and you want to add it to the braid. So you're going to go on top of the braid and you're going to add it to the middle piece of hair, and then this bit that's at the end you want to put that over the other side, like so. And then we're going to do the same with a piece of hair from this side. We're going to get it and we're going to add it into the middle of the braid and get that side over there. So again, I'm grabbing a section of hair, just putting my finger through it and separating it from the rest, adding it into the plait, into the middle, and then putting the end piece over into the other side and then tightening that up. And then we're going to grab a section of hair from here, and we're going to pull that over. We're going to add it to the middle by putting this piece over there. So we want to section a little triangle off, and you just want to start a normal braid. So you want to split the hair into 3 sections, and then you're going to do a little plait by putting this piece over there and then this piece over there. And then what you want to do is you want to grab a section from the top, you want to add that to the middle strand here, and then tighten it. Then you're going to do the same. And every time you add a piece of hair in, add to the middle, take the piece on the other side and pull it tight. Separate a piece of hair off, then you've got these 3 sections here, and you want to add it to the middle section. So as you can see, you've got a section in between here, a section there, and a section here, and then I've got the new piece that I've put there to add into that piece of hair, and then we flip that one over it, and that becomes one whole piece then. When you get to this bit of the ear, you want to try and lift the braid up a bit. Start moving it backwards, like up towards the part a bit more. So now that we've done the French braid, I'm going to show you how to do the other one on the other side, and then you'll be able to see the difference in the two. You want to start off with a little triangle, and then you want to split that into 3. And with this one, instead of going over and like that one to that one like we did before, what you're going to do is you're going to put them under the middle one and over to that side. So under the middle one and over to that side, under the middle one, over to that side, under the middle one, over to that side. And then when you've got that started, you want to grab a piece of hair from the top. And like I said, instead of going over and into the middle piece like we would have before, we're going to add it under, and then we're going to put that one under and over to that side, and then that one goes under, and then we bring this piece over here, over that side, and we just continue to do that. And again, once you get to this part of the ear, you want to start pulling the braid towards the centre part. And again, you just want to finish that off in the normal part. So you've got your 3 pieces, and you just want to go under, under, under. So you're putting it under and over to that side, under and over to that side, under, over to that side, under, over to that side. So this one is the French braid, which is the one that's like flat to the head, and then this one is the Dutch braid, which is the one that like stands out more. That's how you do a simple braid. Right, now I'm going to do them both the same because it looks weird to have an odd braid, so I'm going to Dutch braid both of them. So guys, that is it from me. That is today's video finished. How to braid your own hair at home. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and hopefully it will help you out, and hopefully while you're in quarantine we can all learn something new. I enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye guys.